I'm Kay Estefania and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this top using the alpine stitch. We will be needing a yarn, a corresponding hook size, pair of scissors, weaving needle, and a measuring tape. First, you want to measure your underbust. Start with the slip knot and make a chain with the same length. After that, connect the two ends by slip stitching. Before that, make sure the chains are not twisted. To start round 1, chain 1 and single crochet all the next stitches. After that, slip stitch and we will start our round 2 by chaining 3 and making double crochets in the next stitch to last. After that, slip stitch, chain 1 and make another round of single crochets for round 3. For row 4, start with chain 3 and make an alternating front post double crochet from row 2 and a normal double crochet. For row 5, chain 1 and make another round of single crochet. For row 6, start with chain 3, double crochet next stitch, and make front post double crochet in between the front post double crochet from row 4. Repeat alternating double crochet and front post double crochet from row 2 in the next stitches. For row 7 onwards, alternately repeat the process from row 5 and 6 until you're satisfied with the coverage, and make sure you end up with a round of single crochets. To keep the stitches clean from slip stitching, if you start the round with a double crochet excluding the first 3 chains, you should end up with the front post double crochet and slip stitch in the first double crochet, and vice versa. On your last round of single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1, tighten the yarn and cut the yarn. After that, determine where you want to attach the laces. To attach the yarn, make a slip knot, insert your hook, yarn over, and make a chain at least 100. And slip stitch the chains all the way back. Then single crochet next stitch, chain 1, tighten the yarn and cut. To determine the right distance of the laces, I measure it with the same distance of the nipples. Do the same for the back laces. And we're done! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click that bell button for you to get notified whenever I upload tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos.